I am here at the Snapmaker booth. The world famous Beverly right over there. We'll pass by her next. Take your mouse, take your finger and swipe around and look at whatever you want. Around the corner here we have some U1s. This is the multi-material system for the U1. 2 spools mounted on each side. And here is a filament dryer from iBoss. This, of course, is the famous multi-tool head printer. It's got the 4 tool heads, and it looks like it's making some maker chips. The 4 tool heads are really nice for multicolor and even multi-material. There's a lot of prints here made up of PETG, TPU, PLA, all together. And the machine handles that swap really, really well. Let's pop right down the center here. And you can look around, just swipe around. You'll see one of the U1s here actually printing out of dry boxes. And to my right, you're gonna see their new U1 enclosure. Of course, the enclosure helps you guys print things that need climate control, a controlled environment, such as ASA, ABS, etc. So there it is, that's the new enclosure. Over here, you can look around and there's another U1. This U1, of course, has the enclosure as well. And they have some really fun multi-material samples here on the table. You might recognize this sloth here. This sloth on the table was printing yesterday when we were here. Sorry, buddy. Here we have some sample prints. A beautiful parrot. This little guy on the table here has like, I don't even know how to explain it. It feels like it's a real porcupine. It's crazy. And over here is the star of the show. Not the coffee, Beverly. Princess Beverly of Snapaverse. So, Snapmaker Princess, are we making coffee today?
We are making coffee. We are trying to make coffee here.
We are attempting.
I was literally in a hotel room in Vegas, because all the best stories are in Vegas. I was at CES. I was representing Snapmaker CES, and pretty much I was given the mission of how do we make the Snapmaker booth the most exciting booth at RAPID. That was our next show. So I was like, you know what? I went to every booth with free coffee.
That's
we
the
need
way.
free coffee, but we don't just need like we need a coffee.
Not a
shop.
Keurig, yeah. Yeah, not a Keurig, no. No.
So I was like, what if we turn a U1 into a coffee machine? And they're like, oh, that's all. I was like, no, I know the perfect person. My friend Allie, who owns Cocoa Press and Print Kids, is a genius. Put this up. We literally scream together every morning for the past couple weeks, and now we have coffee.
You went from let's make a U1 a coffee maker to a functional U1 coffee maker
And it's
since from CES till today.
Yeah. So let me present you with a U1 that only prints in one color, but it also makes you coffee.
Let me see it. So guys, remember? Oops, sorry, sir.
So this is the coffee printer.
Unbelievable. And how does this work?
That is a great question for Ellie.
Tell us how the coffee maker works.
Okay, so you put put a cup in. You get to select on the little keypad here what you want. So I want sweetened original coffee with extra creamer, and you can hit start, and it's going to dispense your coffee for you.
Oh, remember, guys, we're in 360, so swipe down. Check out the cup here, dispensing coffee.
It's customizable too.
Is it really? Look at this. Are you kidding? Can I open the door?
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Hey guys, you have an exclusive 50-second look at the Snapmaker U1 coffee maker. The bed actually raises the cup to the dispenser, and the tool head is filling the cup.
Yep.
Coffee's out, lowers the bed, raises the bed. We're gonna cream now. Oh my God, I just cream and coffee.
Yep.
So the machine actually adds the cream also.
Very
This is a one-off. This is a one-of-a-kind, only in the whole world.
Yep, I
This is it.
finished this Monday at 3 a.m. And brought it here and got ordered for the first time yesterday.
That is super genius
And-
level.
No issue. I mean, no coffee spilled so
Right,
far.
right. You're kidding.
Yeah.
You're a genius, and I'm so impressed.
Except for the one time I didn't put a cup in.
I have done that. And I've put my coffee on my pancakes at IHOP.
That's a little
Yeah,
embarrassing.
I've done
I'm
that.
not gonna
No,
lie.
I've done that. Guys, we're at the Snapmaker booth. It's been fun. And I'm just fist bumping for no reason. And it's been a great time. Thank you so much.